everyone, Lisa here. So first off, I am going to say yes, I cut my hair. I did that a couple months ago, and yes, I know this is January, and many of you are going to ask, what happened to December ipsy bag? Well, it is right here. I have been busy lately, and I've also been waiting for Moxie, but because I have been a little bit too busy, she filmed hers, so now I'm filming mine. I do have my January one. I'm probably going to film that next week. If I can't do it with Moxie, then I will do it next week, but let's open December. Oh, and I don't know if you can see her, but Daisy is right here. Yeah, you can see her. Say hi, Daisy. Say hi. She's tired and sleepy. I'm sorry if I sound tired. I woke up a couple hours ago and was like, I don't want to be productive today. But let's open. So, first thing is, ooh, it's very fuzzy. Pull out this one. It is, I think this is the New Year's one. I'm hoping this is January. This isn't January, but if this is, I am so sorry. Guess we'll find out when we open it. I don't know what the feeling is, but it is very fuzzy, and first thing I'm feeling is a strap. It's actually upside down. Ooh, that is fuzzy. Is there anything in here? Nope. This is definitely December. So let's open it, but you can see the little ipsy logo right there. Love it, it's fuzzy. Let's open and take out the first thing. First thing is a liquid velvet, looks like a lip gloss. Yeah, that is a rather dark lip gloss. So this is what it is. I know it's hard to see because the light. Because if I put it too close to the camera, then you can't see it at all. It is by Create London. That's cute. I'm going to put that right here. Let's take out the next thing, which is more mascara. Mad Lash Black Mascara. This is what it is. Let's see the wand. Whoa! That is definitely different. That's, wow. Oh, I don't like the smell of it though. It smells like spray paint. Yeah, it smells like spray paint. I don't know why, but let's put that over here. I'm number 3. It feels like a sponge. Yeah? Beauty blender. It is by Mint Pear, which is funny because I have 2 and I've been wanting to get a new one. I want to open this, I want to feel it. And yeah, it's a lot better than my other ones. This one feels more silicone-y, even though I know it's a sponge. It smells like a sponge. It's more silicone-y than my other ones. My other ones are more like a memory foam. This is more like a silicone memory foam. It's very squishy. This is going to be more of entertainment than a beauty blender. Get distracted. Squishy, 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 squishy. Gotta love ADHD. Everything's soft and squishy, small and shiny. Very entertaining for me. I'm number 4. So, oh, I had my hand on 2 items at the same time. Let's take out this one. Oh, what the heck is this? This does not. Oh! I read that wrong. I don't know what kind of oil, but I'm going to tell you guys what I read now. I read marijuana oil. That is not marijuana. That is, Maracuja oil. I have no clue what that is. Ooh. But that is not what I read. So let's... Oh, wow. That is cute. That is a cute bottle. What is this? Oh, I didn't show you guys yet. There's a button. That is... It smells like olive oil. What does this do? Apply... I have no idea what this does. The directions say how to use it, but I don't know what it's supposed to do. So apparently you're supposed to put 2 to 3 drops on your hands, rub your hands together and pat on your face and neck at night. That's gonna be fun to try, because I'm definitely trying this tonight. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it can also be used to help soften cuticles, tame flyaways, condition split ends, and hydrate dry skin. And oh! But it doesn't say put in hair. It literally just says to pat on your face and neck, and it says it can fix split ends and tame flyaways and hydrate dry skin and rough patches. The directions are also on the bottle. That's gonna be fun to try. Cat, what are you doing? Can I help you? This filming has been interrupted by the kitty! What you doing, kitty kitty? Wanna sit right here and film with me? But let's get back on thing, because I put that right there. Let's take out item number 5, the last item, the bottle. Ginger Snap. Instant hand repair. So apparently this is a lotion. Everything smells like paint since I have paint on my hands. This is not... Barely has a barely smelling like gingerbread cookie. Oh, that is thick. That's thick. But this is what it is. That is a very thick. It smells like a ginger snap cookie. That's probably why it says ginger snap. Duh. I can hear Kyle saying, "You freaking blonde." It's very cinnamony. It also feels very oily, which I don't necessarily like the oily feeling because it just feels really oily. I love the smell, but I don't necessarily love the oily feel. I wish it would just soften my hands instead of make them feel oily, because I don't even want to touch my face, but I don't like that feeling. I honestly don't. I love the bag. Is there anything else? Nope. So that was all 5 items. So that was the December one. If this was the January one, I don't think it was, or else there would not have been a... Really? Stay out of there. Can I help you? Otherwise, there wouldn't have been a Christmassy cookie scenting smelly thing in here, so January's still over there sitting on my desk. Let's put all the things back. So we got this. This. Squish, 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 squish. Mascara. And the lip gloss, or I think this is lip gloss, otherwise it's a lip tint. Liquid lipstick, my bad. So, that was December. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I know it came late. Again, I'm sorry, I've been busy. And also, if you guys didn't know, I had my 18th birthday a couple months ago, so I am now 18. And I had my cartilage pierced on both ears as my birthday present, and I also got a Polaroid camera. You can kind of see all the Polaroids over on my door. I've had so much fun taking those photos of my friends and my boyfriend, so that's fun. So I will film the January one next week if I need to stop looking at that light, because now there is a big color dot in my view. I will film the January ipsy bag next week, even though I was supposed to do that one today or so, but I filmed the December one because I haven't filmed December yet, but now I'm just rambling on because I'm tired. What are you doing? Daisy's weird. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!